When was the last time that you had sex? Now that you are the WNBL VIP. Now, WHO, are you going to sleep with after the game tonight? I know that IT got to be someone famous.
First, that is none of your business what I do with my sex life. Now that VIP for my team, I know that I can't take them all the way. I am going to party with my girls and get rest.
That sound like fun to me. But there are rumors going around that you have a son and you don't know WHO the father is.
See, I don't go by rumors that people put out there, because they will say anything to get into some that they know that is not real.
Okay, that is for now. I guess that we will see you at the game.